Alright YouTube, this is going to be second video. It's just all about port forwarding, because so many people have asked me, how do you port forward? Help, I can't do it. And I think I ported well, got that mixed up right there. It's just they think that they're forwarding their ports, but they're not, and they're getting confused. So hopefully this should clear up anything. So first of all, jump straight in again. Go to command prompt. If you don't know how to, just type in cmd in the back, and it's just there under programs. And then you will type in ipconfig. This should bring up this, and instead of looking at IPv4 address like we did last time, it's now the default gateway, so it should be about similar. Now you're going to go onto your browser, and you go to the URL bar, and you want to type in that default gateway. Should come up with your router homepage. Now I'm with BT, so any BT users, they'll probably be in England. It will be so easy for you. You just copy it for exactly how I do it. If you're using any other routers, it's kind of the same. It's just different layout, but every port forwarding is the same. So you start by going settings, and obviously you need a password. A lot of people don't know their password. Mine's on the back of my hub. It might come in with some paperwork of like when you got the router. Just find it. Like, ask your parents. I don't know if you're like me, still at school. Advanced settings, continue, and port forwarding. Now this is the page you want up. You just want to go straight to supported applications. It'll probably be the same. Now let's just delete that quick. There we go. Yeah, there we go. You want to add a new game or application. Let's just call this MC server like last time. You don't want to copy an existing one, you want to make a new one. Now you want to go to TCP, the protocol, and type in 25565. Now you want to do it for all of them, and the 25565 port is the same port that you put in your server. So if you go down to your server.properties, it is this port there. So if it's 25564 in here, then you want to go and you want to forward the port 25564 in here. So once you've added the TCP for all of them, you want to add that, and then instead of you want to do exactly the same, but instead of the protocol as TCP, you want to change it to UDP. Add that, and you should forward. There we go. Forward all your. I can't speak today, really. I'm not having a very good day. Actually, no, I am. I lied. Then you want to hit apply. It works. Mine's being slow because I'm managing the server at the moment. I'll show that off later. Okay. Now you want to go to configuration, or it was something like that. Would be your router's different. Now select MC server, or whatever you made it as. There we go. This is the one that I'm using for my server, and you want to select your computer name. Obviously mine's called that. If you want to find out yours, just go start, computer, properties, and it should be hit. Now select that, and I won't be able to do it. It will come up with an error, yep, because I've already signed the same ports. These two are exactly the same name, just different, exact same ports, different name, and this is the same computer. So if I use that for another one, it probably would work. Now you're going to hit apply, but I don't want to because I don't know what I'm doing, not my iPad. That's my other computer, so I won't need to do that. You're going to hit apply, and then you should have it saved. Now to test if you've done it correctly, you're going to type, the link will be in the description. It's just canyouseme.org. If you want another one that doesn't work, just type in port checker on Google. Now you're going to type in the port that you added, and just check your port, and it should say success. There we go, it says success. If you've done it wrong, it should say error, and then it should give you your reason. A lot of the reasons are connection timed out or cannot connect to host. That's a lot of what I got. That's when you're not forwarding your port right. But you can see that my ISP is not blocking port 25565. Now this is that's your port forwarding done. You don't need to do anything else. So just close it all down and people can connect, and you don't have to use Hamachi ever again, because that is the most annoying thing ever. Just going onto YouTube, trying to find servers, and then, oh wait, it's Hamachi. And yeah, it's so much easier to do it this way. There's my Skype. Now, just a little hint. This is how I'm running my other server. It's called Yams. I'll have a tutorial for this. It's brilliant. I'm using it for my 26 player slot server. It's called Lunacraft, if anyone wants to know. It's on Mineshafter. It's quite a big one. The IP will be in the description, etc, etc. You can see it's got a really nice layout. You can do chat. That doesn't work at the moment. You can apply all the settings in here. You don't have to do anything. Connections, you can settings, you can make a dynamic DNS, which allows, if people have a .co.uk or .com, allows people to connect via this, and this is free. So at the moment we have, wait for it to load up. Come on, there we go, 12. Oh, we only have 12 players. This is at low times. Usually we have about 21 at peak time, which is going to be soon. He's trying to give himself some stuff. Okay, this will probably, I'll finish it here. If you have any questions, just comment in the description, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.